Hey crafters, I'm Sarah and I love all things craft, and today I'm looking at vinyl layered decals. Now I make these all the time. Now I've posted some reels and shorts lately about how I do this, and I've got a few questions. So I thought today I'd give you just a little bit of a longer video so we can have a little bit of a closer look on how I do it. It's super easy and the result is so good. So why don't you have a look at this video, let me know what you think in the comments below, and have a great week. Okay, so let's start with how I get the outline or the bottom layer of the two-layered decal. So I just use the offset function, which is this one here. And when we click on that, I like to use 0.2. So I work in centimeters, so that's like 0.2 of a centimeter, which is a couple of millimeters. And see how it's brought the outline around there. Once you click apply, it puts the second layer in. So I just like to change the color of the first layer, and this one is going to be coral orange, so I'll just change that to coral orange. And then we're good to go. And so if you click on it, you'll see there is two layers. So this one I will stick on top of that one once I cut them out. Okay, let's cut them out. So once we've cut them out, I've got my two layers, my bottom layer, my top layer, which I'll just weed. So once we've weeded it, we just need to add the transfer tape to the top layer. Now you want to make the transfer tape a little bit bigger than the actual top layer because it needs to incorporate the bottom layer as well. So we'll just put that one on over that, give it a good rub down. Now you need to rub both sides, and then we just peel off this backing tape. And then we've got our decal right there. So we leave that one, and then we grab our baking paper or parchment paper. I literally use baking paper from my kitchen. It's as easy as that. I don't have to go out and buy any fancy paper. So I grab this and lay that over the top like that, leaving a little bit at the top. And then I just place this at the top of the parchment paper. So you can see it leaves a little bit. And then it's just a matter of lining it up. So just hold the top part up so that it doesn't touch the bottom. And then I do this by eye, just because I've done it so many times. But you can see that it's equal length everywhere else. And you've got it in exactly the right spot. Just press down that top part there. And then we just want to lift out without touching the decal too much. Take out the paper, and then we just want to smooth it gently over just so there's no bubbles. And I find more often than not, there is no bubbles with this process. And it's as easy as that. I give it a bit of a trim. I'll do that right now. To make it look pretty. And there we go, that's all done. And now when I give it to my client, or when I want to stick it onto my own things, whatever, it's just a matter of peeling off the backing, and there you go, there's your two-layer decal that is ready to go. And it's as easy as that. Let me know if this is helpful. Maybe give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe. Enjoy.